কেটে দিয়ে আর কোথায় রাখলাম আর দূর কইবা
Observe that during this peak time only accidents could be. But that limit will definitely always be there. But the enforcement party will be here and physically present during the peak time.
So how many accidents have involved vehicles from Nagaland in 2020?
That data I'll not be able to give right now, but recently only we have observed that 4 or 5 vehicles were involved in fatal accident. In one gypsy, all 4 of them died. And one motorcycle accident, 3 persons died. So there are lots of accidents taking place, vehicles coming down from Nagaland.
So can we assume
You have to cross this span within 34 minutes. If you cross before that, the penalty under section. So that is we are going to implement, and that is why we request you all. Yeah, maximum 1